Hello, welcome to Nadler-Tushman Congruence Model. This tool basically helps you to analyze your issues and prepare a business plan summary according to your inputs. It is constructed by 6 parts. These are Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Chart, Summary, and the dashboard itself. Start with typing in your result options. These options will be used later on the Step 3. But first, let's start with the Step 1. Define 4 main elements in your work in blue cells. Later on, write their characteristic into input and output as well. Then carry on with the Step 2. The cells in here will be automatically written right after you defined your elements in the previous sheet. Define your problems in these cells. If you'll need additional rows, you may press on the plus sign. In the chart section, you may see the relation of each element and also the number of problems that you identify in the Step 2. Once you click on the relevant relation, it is going to automatically take you to that cell. Later on the Step 3, define your relation from the drop-down list. Once you choose, the colors will automatically change. Then type in the problem. Later on, write what is your solution according to that problem, and choose the result that you already typed in the results option. And later on, if you have any notes, you may type in here. And lastly, on the summary section, you may see the chart properties of the relations mentioned. One thing that you have to do is click on the drop-down cell and choose the proper relation. Once you do, the charts will be automatically changed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.